Did you paint your future with a golden brush? Now you just turned 30. And did you wait for the blossoms of success to bloom in a garden without weeds? The fairy tales and dreams of little boys will take away the present state of choice. So drop your load and walk the unknown road, and it will grow you into your shoes. Are you still looking for her, for the perfect one? She who reminds of your first one. And are you still chasing the numbers, filling empty voids? Or do you worship a prophet? The fairy tales and dreams of little boys will take away the present state of joys.